Hi, what's up, guys? So we are currently in the St. Louis area, and we're looking out over the Grafton area. This is the Mississippi out here, but we've been absent for a few days. We were on a really good trek of doing some daily videos, and you guys have been responding really well to those videos, which is awesome. Thank you for that. But last week we had gotten some family emergency news that we had to just drop everything and head to the St. Louis area, spend time with family. Well, it's Wednesday morning and we're heading in the Jeep, me and Cassie. We are headed to St. Louis area this morning, back to see family. My grandfather isn't doing well. He's in the hospital, so we're gonna go basically say our goodbyes and just kind of see him for the last time. This one hurts. This one hurts. My dad taught me things, many things, taught me a lot of things. And then my grandfather taught me other things that my dad didn't. Not in a negative way, but he taught me practical things. He taught me how to drive. He taught me how to fish, how to, he's the first person to let me mow his grass. That's a hard one. But me and Cassie, we're getting in the Jeep right now. And we're about to hit the road. It's about a 10-hour drive. So we have a road ahead.
Time to crochet my dreads while we pass the 10-hour drive. Yeah, it's the only time I really have to do my hair is when I'm stuck in a vehicle.
Did you know that Buc-ee's is not just in Texas anymore? We're in Springfield, Missouri. Oh, this is the kind of stuff. See, this is the kind of stuff that Buc-ee's has in Missouri, because we don't have this stuff in Texas. we don't need this stuff in Texas.
Welcome to Buc-ee's. It's always a beautiful day here at Buc-ee's.
Without getting into all the private details of the week, we ended up losing my grandfather this week, so it's been a really just heavy week, like just a lot going on. Backing up, we were already supposed to head kind of this direction, but more towards the Kansas City area. Cassie was in her sister's wedding. She was the maid of honor, or matron of honor, in her wedding. And so we were already intended to head up to this area. It was like 9-hour drive for us there. Well, we ended up having to come to St. Louis, and we spent a few days here, and then on Saturday we had to leave early in the morning and then head over to Kansas City and then drive back that night after the wedding. So we are currently in St. Louis now, and we're going to be heading back home today. So getting back on the grind, trying to get back on the daily, but that's where we've been. That's what's been going on. So heading out of town, we are just trying to spend some time just kind of, soaking in the area a minute. This is just a beautiful area. Like I said, behind me, we're looking out over the river here, the Mississippi, and it's just like a straight down bluff. They have it all blocked off today. We've been up here before, actually a long time ago we've been up here, but over this wall you can look just like straight down drop. I've done some camping like somewhere over that way on the bluffs, and just like right on the edge of the bluffs. It's beautiful out there. But just spending some time before we actually hit the road and make a 10-hour trek. So that's where we are. Okay, we found an area where we can kind of get on the edge right here. I wish I had my drone. That would be amazing. But that That's incredible. Yeah, these houses just right here on the cliff. That's amazing.
Amazing and scary at the same time.
It'd be beautiful though, every day looking at the sunset. Yeah, there's a lot of memories. Cass and I, we spent an anniversary out here
Yeah.
one year. We actually, I mean, it was a while back, but we did some old vlogs.
I think that was our 9th anniversary.
Is that our 9th?
Yeah.
We're heading
It's
into
been
our
9 years
We're
ago.
heading into our 18th. It's crazy. Yeah, these are all just really old homes. There's homes out here that go all the way back to the Civil War days.
Let's move right here. Let's claim that house as ours.
I would be for it. I would totally be for it. Yeah, we just wanted to get out and walk a little bit before we get on our 10-hour drive. But I can't spend too much time because the later we leave, the later we get back home. So
And we're driving into some severe weather, so we're gonna try and beat the tornadoes.
yeah, hopefully we're praying going through Oklahoma we're not gonna hit like severe weather. May hit some rain, I don't know.
Hail, rain and hail are expected.
Great.
Yeah, so
We're gonna head down the bluff and we're gonna go to, it's kind of, I mean, I don't know if it's called a monument, but it's definitely like a landmark, the Piasa Bird.
maple leaves. You see that?
Yeah, I know, they're huge. Okay, so this area is the Grafton River Road, and it's known to be like Native American land, and there's a bunch of legend things out here, folklore things, but one of those things is the Piasa Bird. So right behind me is the Piasa, and the legend of the Piasa
Says 2 water monsters on the bluffs of the Mississippi River near present-day Alton. By 1700, those pictographic creatures were no longer visible. In 1836, the novelist John Russell described an image cut into the bluff of a legendary dragon-like creature with wings. According to Russell, the creature was called Piasa, the bird that devours men. That version of the pictograph, as well as myths about the Piasa, have become prominent in folklore.
So there you go, the Piasa Bird. But we're gonna head out, we're gonna hit the road, get on to our 10-hour drive. Let's go. Oh yeah, just stuffing our face with Buc-ee's barbecue sandwiches.
Oh yeah. As your eye would say.
It's 4 a.m. We just pulled into the driveway. It's been a long road. We're gonna go in, say hi to the kids if they're still awake. I don't know. Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Good night.
It's starting to rain, so we better.
Oh yeah, storms are picking up.